When deciding on which CNC plasma table to purchase, remember, you aren't just buying hardware, you're investing in the software that drives it. With this in mind, why should you choose Langmuir Systems? While other manufacturers force you to rely on clunky software, Langmuir Systems has created a powerful, yet simple software with the user experience in mind. Welcome to FireControl. The user interface is clear and comprehensive. You can import your design from a thumb drive, or download the design via Wi-Fi connection directly onto your machine. To learn how to download free cut-ready files, check out this video on Langmuir Systems' extensive online library, FireShare. With our interactive program visualizer, you can track the torch path in real time. FireControl also allows you to scale and rotate your projects on the fly, and with built-in patterning, you can arrange and cut multiple copies of the part right from your dashboard. Use dry run to safely trace your cut paths and check the fitment without firing the torch. And if you ever lose your arc mid-cut, don't stress. Our Run From Here feature lets you select any missed cut line or loop and automatically complete the job. Another reason to choose Langmuir Systems is our integrated automatic torch height control panel. It monitors live voltage to constantly adjust the torch height above warped material. FireControl makes professional fabrication effortless. It's robust, regularly updated, and totally free for Langmuir customers. What's more, all technical support is handled in our facility here in Texas. Click the link below to download FireControl or explore the full Crossfire line today.